that the system is like operational. If you have like the standby or contingency system, will be set like contingency, or this one. Now, the surveillance mode, it means which part of, you see here, SDP, MSDP, main surveillance data processing or contingency surveillance data processing. It means like, now we are working here. This is like the servers, this one. And the one that you receive information from is from this server, this one. This is the surveillance mode. Now, like here. You have here all ACC, the context of all the ACC. Here, Camran, and all the working. When I click here, maybe in your system it will be like separate one. The one who is working in ACC will not be able to monitor something in Camran. This is understandable. But currently now in laboratory we have all. Now, these are the servers and the working position. Now, the thing is, this is the servers. Every server has like, it's like, now like we have it like inside the computers. Inside the computer. The real server will be a rack like another kind of computer. Now, you can see like, that FDP is like flight data processor. Every server has its own friend. FDP1, this is like the operational one, and another is set on the standby. It means you have like two servers, each one operational one, and it's operated respectively. This one. Now, then we see here like this, the color code. Green one is working okay, red one not working, this one. So, we have servers, flight data processing, demand management, and it will be set, you can see where it will be in your system. It will be in ATCC equipment room. As a rule, you will have like one sector, one that it is green operational, another is yellow in standby. You can perform switchover between them automatically, or you make like stop one and another one without losing the data will just perform the switchover procedure. He will become operating and this one will be standby. Now, TBS, time-based operation server, data recording facility. Neptuno is like the voice recording on this one. See. DLS, data link system, data link. When everything will be installed, these like external links, they will be green, this one. You will have one main, one standby, every time is active. FDS, flight data service. Flight data service, it's like when the flight goes like to terminate, you will receive the information and this information is stored, and then you will retrieve it like in the data analysis tool. Next, MSDP, surveillance data processing, working this one. So for controller, you don't need like to, everything is green, it's okay. You don't need like to, this one. RDCU, radar data compressing unit, like this, whether the radars that are connected are working okay or not okay. This one. Now, the one thing that you are interested in, safety net. This one is, you will have like this one, the main and the standby. Now, when I click here, it's also, this server will be in the equipment room, in the technical room. Now, the safety net is responsible for correlation of the flight and all safety net alerts. You will not have STCA or something else if the safety net is not working. The flight will not be correlated, this one. And the sensors. The radar, I can set like RDCU radars, like radar station, a DSB station, and wide area multi-alteration station that are here, this one. Now, so these are the servers, the machines. Now, the working position are the ones that's working position like you have here, like this one. Working position is, I have here, FDD, CW, flight data display is like standalone FDD. CWP is like controller working position. So CMD, control monitoring display, it's me, that's why I'm working. Now you see ACC supervisor suite. It will be located on ATCC ACC room, and it will be like some place for like supervisor suite. It means the supervisor, the controller, who will be in charge, like the operational supervisor, will have 3 monitors. One like this, and 2 this and FDD part, this one. Now, here I can monitor whether something is working or not working. It means this one is not working at all, because if I will install every working position here, I don't have like a lot of computers for this one. Now, look here. I click here and I check. Now, we are working on CWP 15. This is CWP 15. It is located, currently it will be located like in ATSC in this room, this one. Now, the ones that you can see, supervisor can see which operational sector I'm using. Operational sector 4. Operational sector 4, okay? This one. And it has different types of work. Now, as you see, it's like more like it's green. It's green. So it's working, and it's working in like operational one. It means I am working on MSDP. It means I'm working in the mode that all the radars give me information to this working position. When I will click here, MSDP mono radar, it means I will see the information from this Tango Sierra November, from this kind of source. And when I click here, you will see that it will change the color, and it will give me the information that I am working in the mono radar. If I will click here in bypass mode, in the emergency mode, I will have here in purple. Why sometimes we need like, this is the emergency bypass mode. The bypass mode, it means that all radar information that you have goes directly to the working position of the controller. As you see, I don't have like the option like to correlate or something like that, but I still have the information from the radars. Why some of them are flights with the call sign, and some of them are flights with their only SSR. It means, yes, correct. The flights that they have mode S, they have the call sign and other way, and the ones that don't have is like this one. Now, bypass is purple. It means the information from all the sources goes directly to mine without any CWP 12 is in the playback position. Tomorrow we will talk about it. It's a playback. Any working position can be playback, but you will have, I think, like the special playback working position. Monitoring. It will be maybe like this one. You see, this is the name. Tower monitoring, SAR, Meteo, technical supervisor. Now you have like the special CWP 75, the playback position. So you have the separate playback position for this one. Okay? Tomorrow. We will play back tomorrow because I don't want to jump from this one and this one. The thing is, you need to remember that currently like the playback can be any position. I can launch this working position as a nation. It means who is login, station, login date, logout date. Who login with one. User information historical. It means show me who was login on this 3 days ago or something like that. You see? Controller was logged, supervisor was logged, this one. This is the information. Who key control sector, this one, and print it. Now, it's right click. Now, MAB process is for technical stuff, monitoring the usage of memory, system message. If you have some problem, you can like check here. The ones that you see, I changed to bypass status, and you have like this window open. Now, system historical, show me like the message that were present, this one. Now, so this is switches, printers, NTP servers. NTP is like time server. In order for all the system have the same time. It's like now the printers. When the printers will be connected, they will be seen here. The same is like all the switches. Now, what is this? Operational function configuration. It means these are the options that I enable or disable as a supervisor. Now, look here. No, yes, no. Now, on the controller working position, this TCA is in yellow. It means that I disable it on this one. Now I click here, and it will be working for all the system. No. If you have this one deselected, it means it's not working or working for all the system. But you see, yellow, it means manually disabled on CMD. If it's red, it means not working at all. Not working at all. And green, it means works as expected. I left click here and this one. MTCD, APV, this one, this one. Currently you have like on this working position of STCA and this one. I don't know whether it will be available or no currently. Now, this is information. This is the list of system message, only the list. Safety net is more for controllers, but you see, I am able to see all the happened STCA with all the flights, this one. But it's not only referring to STCA. This is also like referring to some other. This one a lot of filters, and this one integrated status, non-operative, like depending what you need. You can acknowledge. It means like hide, and you see the don't see it. Now, this is like the manager of this window. Click here, you have the manager. CMD different CCT version is CWP 13 and the one 7. Because I installed the separate version of controller configuration tool. Now, here, critical like some severe messages, and this is chat. This is a free text message, like in your working position. Now, as a supervisor, I will perform the sectorization and some changes. Now, sectorization, current sectorization. I click here, and I see that I have CWP 8 working as operational sector 3, frequency 115, And these are the control sectors, the one that I control. Now, we are working on operational sector 4 for CWP 15. Set it like to another frequency. It means, and I can drag the sectors from here to here. Now you have here. Now you see you have 5 of them. The thing is, in order to change the sectorization, the sector need to be unlocked. Unlock it means like lock off. Otherwise, if I will try to move, is locked.
Okay.
In order for you to, at first the controller come, we said like, we are opening the sector. You are opening the sector, so you come, you log in as a controller, and this executive and planner. I can make this working position planner. This is the executive one. But the thing is, in order to make CWP 13 planner, I need to clean CWP 13 from all the sectors, because the sector, the working position that is executive, he's working on one frequency, and the planner can perform the action for planner for 5 operational control sectors. So in order for me like to make like CWP 13 planner, I don't have here option. I will do it like this one.
So you may also capture the picture. Yeah, you may capture it to file, you may capture it.
Now, I don't have the sector under my control. I cannot assume the flight. You see, I don't have the option.
Yeah.
Now, I can, as you see, as the sector is free, CWP 15, it's still not free from operational sector 5 and the frequency. I need to freeze the frequency. To make it fully free. Now you see, nothing is here. Now, currently, look here, CWP 13 is working operational sector 6 and this one. I cannot start, stop, reboot. With this one, now I can, because it doesn't have any control of this one. Now, I can CWP role configuration. You see, now as CWP 15 is cleared of all the sector, I can make it the planner and it's okay, this one. For another one, I cannot click it. It will not be like saved because it still have like this one. This one. Now I made them the planner. Not bad. Now the thing is, with the sectorization, you have here the planner.
No one locking.
Yes, this one. And I can give them the operational sector. Operational sector 4, 5 and 6, 7. So I can make this working position. Why I was able to make it like from executive to planner? Nothing is here. Nothing is here. So, and now I can say like this CWP 11 will work for the planner for all of the sectors, and I can like drag here. Now it is closed. I cannot like this one. This is the logic. So now you see, I have like 3 executives and 2 planners. Now, operational sector 3, CWP 8 is working on the operational sector 3 and operational sector 6 for CWP. Now I can make if it was open, CWP12, I can like make it like grab this sector and this sector to him. So CWP12 will be the planner for CWP8 and 13. Okay, this is clear? No. Okay. External sector is like the external sectors that you have like the adjacent sector, like Victor Tango Bravo Bravo, Victor Victor Han, and all the this one is Singapore, something like that. You can set here the frequency, multi frequencies on this one. You can set here the frequencies for this one. Okay, imagine Singapore calls you and said like we are changing the frequency like to 1 to 3 decimal, something like that, and you just set it. Okay, and everybody will have this information. Now, the tower sectorization. CWP7 is the tower working position. He is working with Victor Victor Tango Sierra. He is dead, and now he has clearance, ground, and tower. It means clearance is like delivery, ground, and tower, all the roles together. If I will set here like some another working position, I can switch them, the working position of the tower, to any of them. The thing is, as you see, sectorization of tower and sectorization that is current for ACC are not the same. And you cannot perform the action like CWP8 can be the tower sector without rebooting. It is like prohibited. Because originally you can't say like that the tower working position is APP, it's located in somewhere else. Now, sectorization plans. Sectorization plans is, imagine that you have night shift and you change the sectorization every night. And every morning, like, okay, you have like current sectorization we told, CWP role, planner or executive. Now you see CWP 13 is already executive. And some sector is assigned, and now I cannot change it to planner. I cannot change it. This one I can because it doesn't have. This one. Control. System global start, system global stop, stop all system, and system reboot. QNH configuration, you don't need it because FDP receives information about like QNH automatically. If you stop all flight data procedures, it will be just you are able to modify it. The ones that you are interested in is operational sector configuration, the same as here, and VSP parameter. It's variable system parameters. SDP, AFT, and all the things. Now, here, this is the information, IFTN. It means FPL automatic processing, CPL automatic processing, departure automatic processing. If these things are set inactive, every flight, like every FPL, if it's like inactive, it means every flight plan that I receive will go to the queue for manual checking. No matter has it errors or no, this one. Safety net. SDP parameters, there are a lot of them. This one, VSP, it means the parameters that can be changed online. TBS active and non-active on this one. As we have here, simulator, we have like the simulation context. It means the ATG, air traffic generator, is working, simulation is working, and exercise preparation position is also working.